For many sports enthusiasts, the New England Patriots aren't just a football team. They're a way of life. Following every game, every play, and every strategic move is a deeply ingrained ritual. In today's fast-paced world, being tethered to a television set isn't always practical. This naturally leads to a crucial question for the modern fan, particularly those who embrace mobility. Can I watch the Patriots on my phone? As a project management expert, I understand the importance of having the right tools and strategies to achieve your objectives. In this case, your objective is to watch the Patriots game, and your tool is your smartphone. The good news is, the answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely can watch the Patriots on your phone. The landscape of sports broadcasting has evolved dramatically, offering a plethora of options for live streaming NFL games directly to your mobile device. However, just like any good project, it requires a bit of planning and understanding of the available resources. The ability to stream live NFL games, including those featuring the New England Patriots, to your phone is largely thanks to a shift in how sports content is delivered. Gone are the days when you needed a traditional cable subscription and a TV to catch every moment. Now, a strong internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data, and the right app or service are your primary requirements. Here's a breakdown of the main avenues you can explore to watch the Patriots on your phone. 1. NFL Plus and NFL Plus Premium. This is the official streaming service of the National Football League, and it's a primary solution for mobile viewing. NFL Plus. With a basic NFL Plus subscription, you can watch live local and primetime regular season and postseason games on your phone or tablet. Local games refer to the games that are broadcast in your specific market. E.g., if you're in New England, you'd get the Patriots games broadcast locally. Primetime games include Thursday Night Football, Sunday Night Football, and Monday Night Football. This is a game changer for fans who are often on the go during game times. NFL Plus Premium. This upgraded subscription offers everything in NFL Plus additional features like ad-free full game replays, condensed games, and the all-22 coaches film across devices, as well as NFL Red Zone, which allows you to catch every touchdown from every game on Sunday afternoons. While NFL Plus Premium provides a more comprehensive viewing experience, the basic NFL Plus is sufficient for live game viewing on your phone. 2. Live TV streaming services. These services mimic a traditional cable TV package but are delivered over the internet, accessible via apps on your phone. Many of them carry the major networks that broadcast NFL games. YouTube TV, a comprehensive option that often includes CBS, Fox, NBC, and ESPN, all channels that regularly air Patriots games. It also features NFL Network and offers an NFL Red Zone add-on. Fubo TV, known for its strong sports offerings, Fubo TV typically includes CBS, Fox, NBC, and ESPN, along with NFL Network. Hulu Plus Live TV, another popular choice that provides access to the major broadcast networks for NFL games, plus ESPN and NFL Network. Sling TV, a more budget-friendly option, but channel lineups can vary. Ensure it includes the channels broadcasting Patriots games in your area, e.g., Fox, NBC, ESPN, depending on the game. DirecTV Stream offers a wide range of channels, including those necessary for NFL viewing. Key consideration: with live TV streaming services, your access to Patriots games will still be subject to local market availability and NFL blackout rules. This means you'll typically only be able to watch the games that are broadcast in your geographical area. 3. Network-specific streaming apps. Individual networks that broadcast NFL games often have their own streaming apps where you can watch live content if you have a cable or streaming TV provider login. Paramount Plus. Since many Patriots games are broadcast on CBS, a Paramount Plus subscription allows you to stream those live local CBS games on your phone. Peacock. As the exclusive streaming home for Sunday Night Football, Peacock Premium, or Premium Plus, is essential if you want to catch Patriots games scheduled for Sunday night. ESPN app. For Monday Night Football, the ESPN app with a TV provider login is your go-to. Amazon Prime Video. Amazon Prime has exclusive rights to Thursday Night Football. If the Patriots are playing on a Thursday night, you'll need a Prime membership to watch on your phone. Fox Sports app. If a Patriots game is airing on Fox in your market, you can often stream it through the Fox Sports app by logging in with your TV provider credentials. 4. The official New England Patriots app. While this app might not always offer live game streams, especially for regular season games due to NFL broadcasting rights, it's a valuable resource. It provides live radio broadcasts. Often, you can listen to the live 98.5 The Sports Hub radio broadcast of the game, which is a great option for a listen-only experience. Highlights, news, and stats. Even if you can't watch live video, you'll get real-time updates, play-by-play statistics, game highlights, and the latest team news. Important project management considerations for mobile viewing. Internet connection, your critical path. This is non-negotiable. A stable and strong Wi-Fi connection is always preferred for consistent streaming. If relying on cellular data, ensure you have a robust data plan, as live video consumes a significant amount of data. Device compatibility, resource allocation. Ensure your smartphone's operating system, iOS or Android, and hardware are up to date enough to support the latest versions of the streaming apps. Subscription management, budget and resources. Decide which services offer the best value for your specific viewing habits. Do you only care about Patriots games? Do you watch other sports or shows? This will dictate which subscriptions are most cost-effective. Blackout rules. Constraints. Be aware that NFL blackout rules still apply to most streaming services. If a game is airing locally on traditional TV, it might be restricted from out-of-market streaming options. NFL Plus is designed to circumvent some of these, especially for mobile. Pre-game setup, risk mitigation before game day, download the necessary apps, log in, and even test a short video to ensure everything is working correctly. Nothing's worse than scrambling during kickoff.